Okay, this problem has a little bit of a twist, but not much. What it says is we purchase these bonds as an investment and we need to record effective interest revenue. So this is just the other side of interest expense. This is us getting it as interest revenue. Whenever I'm faced with a problem like this, I like to do a little chart, okay? And I'm going to start with the interest dates. We have two interest dates. Okay, and January 1 we purchased it. So we need to know how much cash is going out. We need to know the effective interest. And we need to know the carrying value, because the effective interest is always market rate times carrying value. So January 1st, we buy the bond, okay? So the carrying value, when we buy it, is, they tell us 49 million. 49 million, 62,045 dollars. So this bond was sold at a sharp discount. So it's a $75 million 4% bond sold to yield 8%. So this is sold at a sharp discount. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out how much cash this company is going to be sending out each period. So they send out the cash June 30, and they send out the cash 12/31. So each time they do that, they're going to be sending out, and let's figure this out, it's a total of 75 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, times 4% divided by 2, because they send it out twice a year. So each time this company sends out a check, the check is for $1,500,000. So that's the cash that we get twice a year. Now we have to figure out the effective interest rate. The effective interest rate for 6/30 is 49,062,045, the carrying value, times, they were sold to yield 8%, 8%, and that whole amount is divided by 2. So let's see what that comes up with. We need to put in the carrying value of the bond, 49,062,045, 49,062,045 times 8% divided by 2. So the first interest payment, the interest we actually earned, is $1,962,481. So that's the effective interest rate, $1,962,481.80. The difference between those, and that's the amortized amount, is $462,482. $462,482. So we then add that to the carrying value, okay? So the new carrying value now is the amortized amount plus the original carrying value gives us the new carrying value. So let me just add that for you. 49,062,045, 49,062,045 plus 462,482, and our new carrying value now goes up to 49,524,527. So the new carrying value is $49,524,527. Because as we amortize the discount, the carrying value goes up. At the very end of this, we want the carrying value to be equal to $75 million, because that's the face value of the bonds. So we now have to do the same computation we did before, but instead of 49,062, it's 49,524,527, and this is the 1231 computation. And when we do that, we find that the amount, the effective interest, is $1,980,981. And again, the difference between these is the amortized amount, and that's $480,981. So we needed to do all of that, and then we would just add that to that, and I will do that. Plus, what was it, 480, 981, and that's our new carrying value, 50,005,508. So that what we've just done is an amortization schedule. Now it says we can go through and do the journal entries, and that's where we need to be. Well, the cash both times is $1,500,000. You see where those numbers came from. It's the amount of cash that you're actually spending out. Our actual interest that we earned is the cash we got plus the amount of discount that was amortized. That was our total interest revenue. So that's the 19. That's our interest revenue for June, and that's our interest revenue for December. So 1,962,482 and 1,980,981. See where those numbers came from. And the amount of discount that we're recognizing is the plug number. It's the difference. So for this one, it's 462,482. And for this one, it's 480,981. So that's recognizing the interest revenue. If we were the folks who had sold the bond, we would be doing the same thing, but it would be interest expense.